and welcome to the channel. If this is the first time visiting the channel, then please go ahead and subscribe. I am Corvette Hop. We have over 1.5 million views on this channel and 7,500 subscribers. Without each and every one of you, that would not be possible. Today we're going to work on this 1969 Corvette. We're going to make some adjustments to the windshield wiper door. I'm going to show you step-by-step procedures on how to do that. With that, let's go ahead and get started, and hey, keep those cars on the road.
Let's first go ahead and make sure the windshield wiper door is working correctly. The wiper door can be opened and closed by using the wiper door control knob below the steering wheel. This of course does not activate the wipers, but only opens and closes the door. Another way is to turn on your windshield wiper switch to the left or right just above the center console. As you can see, the proper operation of the windshield wiper door is absolutely perfect, both opening and closing. Not many early model C3 Corvettes work this good. In fact, it's the C3 early models that have the windshield wiper door. The later models, the windshield wiper door was eliminated. For proper adjustment of the windshield wiper door, we're going to go ahead and activate the door in the up position. This will allow me to get at three key door adjustment areas. These three areas are exactly the same on the driver's side and the passenger side. In fact, I would recommend that you adjust all of them. The first two areas can be adjusted by loosening two 5/16 bolts on the wiper door arm. The top bolt has almost a 1/4 inch play for adjustments on the wiper door. The bottom bolt has a little bit of play, but not as much as the top one. Adjustments can be made on the wiper door forward and backwards by loosening the top 5/16 bolt. Again, this is the location of the bolts with the larger view. I will simply go ahead and loosen both of the bolts using a 5/16 socket or a wrench, make my adjustments, and then tighten them back up. I would maybe recommend putting a little painter's tape around the edge of the door to prevent it from getting scratched from your ratchet or your wrench. I simply made my small adjustments and retightened both of those bolts. As you can see, adjustments can be made on both sides, the driver's side and the passenger side. Demonstrated in this location right here. Of course, it also has two 5/16 bolts. Now you can also see you got about a 1/4 inch gap of play, just like on the driver's sides, for adjustment. Now you're probably asking, what prevents the windshield wiper door from hitting the windshield when it closes? Well, we have an answer for that. This involves the third adjustment that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Right next to those two 5/16 bolts that we just adjusted, there is a Phillips screw that can be adjusted. By turning the screw clockwise or counterclockwise, it can be adjusted. The head of this screw hits a striker plate just below the windshield, stopping the windshield wiper door from going any further. And this is the location of that striker plate that I just talked about. Simply turn the screw inward or outward, clockwise or counterclockwise, to make the adjustment. And of course, repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. And this is the location of that same screw on the passenger side. Lastly, once adjustments have been made, go ahead and check operations. If more adjustments are needed, then go ahead and do that. Now, it looks like we did a very good job on the space in the back near the window, in the front by the grille, and actually on the sides also. And that, Corvette friends, is mission complete.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something. If you did, then please go and subscribe right here. And hey, keep those cars on the road.